YouTube, what's good, man? Welcome back to another video, man. Today we are working inside the garage. You feel what I'm saying? You guys already know what's about to go down, man. Y'all can tell by the title of this video. So, for those who don't just read the title of the video and just click my video, we are doing the front main seal on the 240, man. The Ka-T, you know, Ka-T. Can't forget the T because you know that is a big ass. I wouldn't say big ass, but that is a turbo right there for those who don't know. One day I was driving it, you know what I'm saying, and I was went to the homie's house. This is driving because you know I like driving my 240 and shit whenever I get the chance to. And noticed some oil on the ground. I kind of already knew the front main seal needed to be changed because you can see a little bit on the front of the engine. You know what I'm saying, like kind of on the oil pan, like it's dripping down. But I guess that one particular day, the front main seal was like, I'm about to go, so what you gonna do? You either gonna change me or you not. But if you don't change me, yeah, you already know, you know what I'm saying? There's gonna be oil everywhere. So I had to go to O'Reilly's real quick. Your boy got a front main seal. You know what I'm saying? To be honest, I don't know if this is gonna be like a how-to video. It's pretty straightforward, to be honest. I guess I'll bring y'all along and show y'all as I do it, you know what I mean? But I don't think, this is probably not gonna be a how-to video. You know, if you do need help with changing front main seal, let me know down in the comments. I would be happy to tell you and guide you through it. But just by watching my video, you should be able to just do it on your own and easy like that. So what we're gonna do first is definitely jack the car up. And I have so many tires, so instead of putting jack stands, we're just gonna put this boy on some wheels. You know what I'm saying? So it's a lot easier, and you know how it goes. So I'll get back at you guys once I have some space right here and the car's jacked up.
Little.
Alright, so we got the car jacked up. I just want to show you guys under here real quick. You can still kind of see, even like right there, you see that drip of oil? I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like right here. See that? All wet. You know, the whole front of the oil pan is wet, and it looked like it sloshed it all right here. So what you're gonna need, this crank pulley bolt is a 27 millimeter, and then those little bolts that's around, like the little circle right there, those are 10s. Well, first you're gonna have to loosen up these belts. Let me get on the top, let me get my tools, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so you got your belts off, you know what I'm saying? Now what you would do, before you start to take this big bolt off, hold on, let me get up in there. Before you take this big bolt off right here, put the car in 5th gear, because if you don't and you try to loosen it up, it's going to spin the motor and you're not going to get it off that way. So slap the car in 5th gear and then go ahead and break that motherfucker loose. Once you break those loose, we're going to get all these small bolts around it off too as well. Let's do it. All right, guys, look how dirty it is right here. This whole area is dirty. Now I already see where our problem is. Man, it's kind of dark, man. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully you guys can see that. But at the bottom right there, you see where that little, I guess you could say puddle, but you know where the oil's continuing to leak. Camera's not focusing. I'm trying to hold this flashlight and the camera at the same time. But let me see if I can get it to focus. You can already see it dripping already. You know what I'm saying? But it's not even, how do you say, flush with the outside line. So you can kind of see, damn man, I wish this camera would focus. So you can see it's all good, like, you know, on the outside, but once you can see that it's pushed in pretty much. You can see it's pushed in all at the bottom, you know, so that's our problem right there. So what I'm gonna do is clean all this up right here the best way I can, get that seal out, slap the new one in, and put everything else back on. So let's get it. All right, guys, so got the old remain seal out. That's not how it really looked. You know what I'm saying? I just kind of had to pry it out and it kind of tore it up a little bit. But old, new, slap the new one in. New seal is in. Let's get everything back on. All right, guys, so we got everything back on. You know what I'm saying? I put power to the car. I know y'all hear that little 240 ding dong. You did. So we finna fire the car, man, and see if we have any leaks. Dry, yo. No leaks. Hope y'all can see that good. No leaks at all, yo. It's solid. Alright, guys, so you know what I'm saying? That's pretty much how you do your front main seal. It's not that hard. You feel me? You just take your time, you know what I'm saying, and you'll get it done. Now, my plans for this video, at the end of it, I wanted to take you guys for a ride, you know what I'm saying? But as you can tell, it's a little dark outside, and I kind of want you guys to see, you know, from the daylight point of view. I know last video we got a little night, you know, version of the point of view, whatever. But now I really want to see what the GoPro really looks like in the daylight, how clear it looks, shit like that. So we're gonna wait till tomorrow to give you guys a ride. So it's gonna be real quick. So the next clip is gonna be us GoPro. It's gonna be on the GoPro footage. We're gonna be in the car driving. So see you guys in the next clip. All right, y'all, what's good, man? Hopefully y'all can hear me through my loud ass car. Make sure the hood is closed. I don't think I closed it. Seatbelt on, get cracking, yo. All right, let's boogie. All right, y'all, we in the street with it. You dig? Make sure we rolling. Take it easy this round, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't like to go too hard as soon as I get out. Let the car warm up, circulate. Turbo sound, man, you hear me? Can't get enough of that, son. For real. Who knows, man? I might, you know, do a little bit of donuts, get a little jiggy later on, man, you know. Hope it's showing clear for y'all, man. It should be, though. Hope the view. Hopefully y'all can hear that turbo flutter too, man, because that shit's pretty loud. Let's get on a little bit right here. I definitely need to get some change my spark plugs, you know what I'm saying? She's misfiring a little bit, but she still runs. Still get down too. Broke that boy neck. Boy, that boy see that motherfucking 240, man, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Ooh, that turbo sound, I swear you cannot get enough of that, bro. Never disappoints you. Never a disappointment. Let's get on it, man. Let's get on it. turn real quick, man. Let me see if I can hit a little donut real quick, man. It'd be busy over here though. I like to do it obviously when there's no cars around, you know. But let's see. Might be like a little quick. See, man, there's some cars coming, bro. Oh, let's go down here and wait. Hopefully by the time we come back, ain't no cars. It would've been a perfect time right there. One more time, y'all. I'm bullshitting. It be like that though when you trying to just hit this spot real quick, you feel me? And you just waiting for you know what I'm saying, for no cars to come, and it's just like cars are just coming non-stop, you feel me? So this time there's a car, I might just say fuck it and do it in front of the car. You know, sometimes you gotta be a little savage, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be a little savage, kind of little shit like that. We looking clear, boys. Oh, there's a car. I'm gonna hit this whole fucking. Woo! Yes, sir. Also, I cannot wait to take this car to a track, bro, and actually drift this bitch. Just doing little shit like that just makes me want to just, damn, take this car to a fucking track. That way I ain't gotta wait on motherfuckers to, you know what I'm saying, do it like a hit it and quit it spot. I encourage y'all to do that shit too, man. I don't encourage nobody to do no shit in the streets, you know what I'm saying? That front main seal is not leaking still, so we are good. 100% on that. I'm gonna close this all the way. We're gonna park her, man, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully you guys was able to see it. Hopefully that was some good in-car footage.